Ankerstone building blocks are made from sand, linseed oil, chalk, and pigment. They are unique because they are smooth, heavy, and precise. Great for three-dimensional play or building from architectural plans. Stone sets are produced in Rudolstadt, Germany since the 1880s. Welcome to the factory.
The chalk, quartz sand, linseed oil, pigment, then to the mixer, and then sifted through the screen.
The forms from the time of Friedrich Adolf Richter. There's very, very old forms, historical.
Mm-hmm. So you still use them? Or
sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes. We have an old press, because you make this.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
And now we make this stone.
The triangle?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a triangle.
Mm-hmm.
And here it's pressed. Yes. The right dimension. Pressing.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And you line it up?
Yes. She lines it up. And we make the smallest stones.
Mm-hmm.
He says every time the oldest man must make the smallest stones. Yes.
When they are filled with stones, go to the oven.
Things. This one, for instance, it's for the Grobius kit, you know? And you can see so many. This one. Yes. Here you see. Is that 4A? It's for. It's very